The emergence of pure plant life as a topic dates back to the early 19th century, when interest in sustainable and environmentally conscious agricultural practices began to grow. In 1840, English agronomist Joseph Paxton introduced the greenhouse effect through his innovative glass greenhouse designs, which significantly enhanced plant growth by mimicking natural climate conditions indoors. This advancement laid the foundation for the broader concept of pure plant life, emphasizing the use of controlled environments and advanced technologies to optimize plant production without compromising ecological balance. From the late 19th century, significant technological innovations contributed to the development of pure plant life. In 1890, German chemist Wilhelm Norman developed a synthetic fertilizer that revolutionized soil fertility management in agriculture. This invention allowed for more consistent and intensive plant cultivation regardless of natural conditions. Around the same time, advances in genetics led to selective breeding programs designed to enhance crop yield and resilience through improved genetic traits. By mid-20th century, pure plant life became increasingly intertwined with other scientific advancements, such as biotechnology and artificial intelligence, AIoT. In 1973, researchers at the University of California invented a system for growing tomatoes hydroponically in greenhouses, dramatically increasing yields without soil. Simultaneously, AI-driven precision farming emerged, enabling farmers to analyze vast amounts of data collected from sensors on their fields, leading to more efficient and targeted application of fertilizers and pesticides. These developments had profound societal impacts. In terms of economic consequences, the Green Revolution between 1940 and 1980 resulted in a tripling of global food production despite population growth. However, this success also led to environmental degradation as intensive farming practices depleted soil nutrients and exacerbated water scarcity issues. On the social side, while pure plant life increased access to nutritious foods for growing populations, it contributed to rural depopulation due to the need for large-scale industrial agriculture. Looking ahead to 2050, continued advancements in biotechnology will likely see further increases in crop yields through genetic modifications and sustainable farming practices that integrate eco-friendly solutions, like carbon-neutral fertilizers. Meanwhile, AI will continue to play a pivotal role by optimizing resource allocation across vast agricultural landscapes, ensuring more efficient use of inputs while reducing waste. The combined impact could potentially halve global food production costs compared to current methods and significantly boost environmental sustainability standards in agriculture globally. Incorporating these future projections with recommendations for continued research and policy reforms towards sustainable agricultural practices can help mitigate potential drawbacks, such as monopolization of seed technology by large corporations, while also fostering equitable distribution benefits.